Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule, stop in and see what it is I'm up to. A couple weeks ago, maybe a couple months ago, one of the channels that I follow, a young woman who, she's impressive, she really is. Anyway, she made up a mini tool set, and it kind of stuck in my head, and it's been kicking around, and the other day I happened to find a lighter, which I think she used the Zippo. This is a ronson. Looks like that. Now, sorry, I've already started on this just because it was like so easy. I've already taken the filter, the fuel pad out, add the sparker and the tube. So let's come over here, I'll show you what else I'm going to do. Bring it down. Where are we at? Alright, I hope we're all in there. Take that out of there like that. That's getting a little warm. Whew. Good thing I'm in the kitchen. I really need a different pair of glasses too. There we go. Got these so I can actually see what I'm doing. There we go. Now, bring you back up here. Come on, tripod, work for me. Don't give me that aggravation. There we go. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the woman's last name. Kampf, I think. First name is Laura. Anyway, when she made up her case, she's got this full-on metal shop and wood shop, and like I said, she's a very impressive young woman. But she took a piece of metal and she kind of cut it all up and machined it and did this and did that and something else to it and fit her. Let's see. Yeah, I got this little case here. I've been carrying all my keys in a little leather pouch. But anyway, she was fitting these type of bits into this little metal thing that she made. But hers didn't stay closed. So as I was looking at it, it's like, well, I can cut that and leave the hinge. See, I took all the guts out of the inside of it. I can put the hinge down in there, and mine will stay closed because it's got the original hinge. You know, Ronson spent a lot of money coming up with that design. So I originally thought that I would take that part out, but this also acts as a bit of a handle, hopefully. There we go. Now, the piece that goes in there to hold all your little bits and whatnot, she spent I don't know how many hours going through it. I went in my toolbox. I'm going to switch out the bits because I don't need, you know, that big old screwdriver bit and I don't know, that bit. So I'll just leave the two of those and put in two smaller. So let's do part of that right now. There we go. Nope, that's not it. Blue, blue, blue. Is that what I want? Yeah, I think that. Anyway, something more like that. So, this fits right in there. Whoa. Mind blown. That slips right in there. And I have the little handle that is made from an adult beverage from an airplane. The lid, which I then filled with a, I think it was JB Weld, could have been one of the other two-part epoxies, and you know, I just made it so that the bit fits down inside of there. Now, this is not the world's greatest screwdriver, but that little handle will fit down in there. I actually may have room for another bit or two. At least one more, I think. No, that makes it so it doesn't close. So, there we go. One. Whoops. Might fit a little too loose. One pocket carry. Screwdriver set. So, Laura asked for people to show their interpretation. This one is mine. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around on social media, that would be fandoculous. Let me kill that light. There we go. If you want to check me out on Facebook, there'll be a link in the description box. You'll also find information on my Make Me Sweat Challenge. If you have something super spicy you want to send to see if you can make my eyeballs sweat, make me gasp, I'm more than willing to take the challenge. So you'll also find a link to my 700 sub giveaway that's coming up here real soon. I'm at like 660 something subscribers at the moment. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, if your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you're thinking about them. Let them know you love them. Let them know you care. I talked to my mom the other day, and a friend of hers is losing her daughter to cancer. Cancer is insidious. It really is. It doesn't care who you are, your age, your gender, your family status, financial status. My mom, I think, feels like she's losing another daughter. She's lost 2 in 2 years. My little sister and then the Ole Miss. So, Be proactive, people. If something doesn't feel right, get it checked out. I mean, yeah, I know going to a doctor sucks, but don't let it get too far ahead. Breast cancer is more predominant in women, but it does affect men, and it affects people of all ages. So, and you know, there's other cancers, not just breast cancer. So, be aware of all of them. Be proactive. We're not promised tomorrow, people. Love your loved ones every day. Till I see y'all again, I hope you have a fandoculous day. Slunchy, y'all. Bye-bye.